Welcome. In this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on your LENOVO G70-35 laptop. So to take a screenshot you'll have to first use a 3-button combination of Windows Shift and S buttons. So just press them all together like this. Excuse me, let me do it once again. All together like this, and this will open up a bar at the top of your screen where you'll be able to choose a kind of screenshot you want to take. So we can go with the rectangular snip, freeform snip, Windows snip, and the default full screen snip. So if you just press the full screen snip, the screenshot will be taken automatically at the same moment, and it will be saved to your clipboard, so you can paste it anywhere. But you can also tap on this notification to save your screenshot in your file explorer. But by tapping this button right here, you'll be able to modify your screenshot, draw on it, highlight it, use a ruler to help you do it better, like this, and also resize it using this function. And once you do whatever you like to your screenshot, you can save it by pressing this button, as I told before. And let's keep the original name, press save, and right now we'll be able to find our screenshot in the pictures folder, as this is the default directory for screenshot, but you can of course choose your own where you want to save it. And here is our screenshot right here. So let's go through the other options of screenshot. So the rectangular snip basically lets you select a space, an area on your screen that you want to take a screenshot of. So you just select it using your left mouse key, and then once you let it go, you'll get a screenshot, and you'll be able to modify it just like you did before. It will also be saved to your clipboard. So let's take a look at the freeform snip, which is basically the same as rectangular, except for you can select in any form, in any shape that you like. So you just select it like this, and you get a screenshot of the shape, of the desired shape. And the window snip basically lets you take a screenshot of a window exclusively. So let's take a look at how it works. You select the Windows snip option, then you select a window you want to take a screenshot of. For example, let's take a screenshot of a file explorer. Then you tap on the window, and then you get a screenshot of your program or your application without any excessive elements. And that's all for today, I think. If you like this video, please let us know in the comments, leave us a like and a comment below.